The purpose of this course is to allow safety officers to leverage and benefit from AI. Okay, in today's context, I'm sure you have heard about Gen AI. This course actually covers more on Agentic, allows you to automate your process to make your work more effective. Okay, we want the trainees to walk out from this two-day course to be able to create their own apps and automation with confidence, so they can go back to their own company and they can implement these apps. Hopefully that it will benefit for the ease of their work and for their company.
Coming in for this course was really beneficial for me because I get to know about the different AI platforms out there and also how to use the correct prompts to enable me to enhance my work in safety.
I've been learning a lot of automation on how to integrate or contextualize with AI such as StarMed, and we have OpenAI, and we have various AI that can be integrated during our inspection and observation and etc. documents for our safety.
So importantly for these 2 days, what I've learned is to create so-called an app at the same time to ease my work. For example, I'm able to create a toolbox message app, monitor attendance within a few minutes. At the same time, I'm also able to create an iReport template and key in whatever description of incidents and be able to draft within seconds. So I encourage whoever safety personnel or whoever to attend this course.
What I learned so far for myself is AI is something very new to the industry. Attending this course, there are many AI tools which you can use on your daily tasks, especially me as a safety professional. It benefits by having AI to generate example toolbox topic, pre-assess risk assessment, looking at the gaps where the risk can be pre-identified, and then adding to the mitigations to actually have the risk assessment to be more robust and having it to be implemented to the site, making it slightly more safer and having inputs of the human performance in it.
Actually, the school's benefit is actually learn about the ChatGPT, how easy to use, then also preparing documents. So these are things can save time. I can do a person to a lot of job because of save timing, and at the same time can do different job. The second thing is also can learning how to use robot or AI equipment device to on-site to prevent some accidents. So that means you can use less people and can be achieve more safety things here.
The key goals that we want to do for this particular workshop is actually to provide the bridging between people who are non-coders to be able to automate and build things for their own workflows. That is extremely important, and I feel like you need to move from being an AI consumer to become an AI builder to future-proof the industry and to future-proof your career.
One of the good things that we did was the incident reporting part, whereby anyone who has not much literacy can also type in a few things and then things will be generated. Then from there, we are able to make it better for them. We are also able to review at the end of the day. It's learning about AI, one. Number two is also to go towards seeing how I can automate things for whatever I'm doing at work. I would definitely recommend this course to any of my colleagues or professionals that I know around the industry.
Our courses are defined by how we do outcome-based learning, and what we usually do is we wrap theory around case studies that are extremely relevant to the people that we are teaching.
If you want to find out about this course, if you like what you hear so far, we'll be running this course at least once a month. There will be next course on the 12th and 13th of course, June and so on. You can find the update on this course in our Primus Vision website under the Agentic AI.